Ever wondered why there's so much confusion and misconception around creatine? Does it cause kidney damage? Is it a steroid? Does it cause water weight gain? Today we'll debunk these myths and shed light on the correct way to dose and take creatine for optimal results. Creatine, a substance found naturally in muscle cells, helps muscles produce energy during heavy lifting or high-intensity exercise. It's one of the most tested supplements in the world, and research supports its safety and effectiveness. But the key lies in understanding how to take it correctly. The initial phase of taking creatine involves what's known as loading. This stage typically lasts for about 5 to 7 days. During this phase, aim to consume approximately 20 grams of creatine per day, divided into 4 5-gram servings throughout the day. This helps to saturate the muscles with creatine quickly, leading to faster results. Following the loading phase, we move on to the maintenance phase. This phase is longer, and it's when you reduce your creatine intake to around 3 to 5 grams per day. This dosage is enough to maintain the level of creatine saturation achieved during the loading phase. Remember, it's not necessary to take creatine with a meal. However, research shows that it may improve absorption if taken with a protein-based meal. Now, let's address a common query. When is the best time to take creatine? Well, research suggests that it doesn't really matter. You can take it before or after your workout or any other time of the day that suits you. The key is consistency. It's also worth noting that everyone responds to creatine differently. Some people may experience noticeable benefits, while others might not see any significant changes. This doesn't necessarily mean that creatine isn't working. It's just that some people naturally have more creatine in their muscles than others. To sum things up, taking creatine involves a loading phase of 5 to 7 days with 20 grams per day, followed by a maintenance phase of 3 to 5 grams per day. It's not crucial to take creatine with a meal, but it may improve absorption. The timing of creatine intake isn't critical, but consistency is key. And remember, individual responses to creatine can vary. So next time you hear a misconception about creatine, you'll know better. Creatine is a safe and effective supplement when dosed and taken correctly, and it can be a powerful tool in your fitness arsenal.